Hey YouTube kittens, it's Kathy Cat, and today with the lucky bag from Angelique Pretty, it is the Toy Doll Box jumper skirt set that caught my heart, and again, it was really hard to get, so let's unpack. Toy Doll Box jumper skirt, and guess what, I got some extras with it. You're gonna have a look at that one in a second, okay. The crinkle of excitement. So of course, it's a jumper skirt set, so since it promises what it talks about, you get a headpiece here, and it's already so sugary sweet. You can see the candy here right away. Look at that. I actually like the back of the bow almost a little bit better. Like, look here. All the details. And we have the Angelique Pretty logo this time right here. So it's not on the tag here, it's actually right on here. I'm just realizing it has glitter on. This, the kind of stuff you can't see online. They actually made parts of this dress glittery. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. It's wonderful. And it's large. I think they're finally starting to realize that they need to cater for the customers abroad too, because look at the back of it. That's quite big for Angelique Pretty. It's usually a bit tighter, even with shearing. And look at this wonderful colored lace. They were actually not cheap. They actually dyed the lace here. A bow on the top, you can't take that one off. We have cute rounded buttons coming down here. Again, more lace. And then a front bow. Again, you cannot take that one off. That one is sewn onto the dress. And then the actual pattern. And on the back, there is loads and loads of shearing. You guys usually want to know how much shearing there is. Oh, there's a lot of stretch here. You should be able to fit your puppies in there. Cute button here, cute bow. Look at this, ending in this pattern like this. It has like shooting stars and stuff. Oh my gosh, this is so dreamy. I love it. And then we have the Toy Doll Box. You can literally see there's so many toys going all around this dress. I mean, look at this. We have a unicorn in a box. We have a bunny in a box. We have the bear here. This is just such a fun print. I always wanted to have a dress that has scalloping, and I think that's really, it makes a dress just so special. They were doing a special campaign. If you were buying from them for a certain amount, you were also going to get some vouchers, and then I could use those vouchers straight away. I decided to get myself not one, but actually 2 pairs of socks. First of all, plain white with this pattern here at the front, because I actually just want to have one more set of just simple white socks to add to my collection. So plain white. And the second set I bought to match this dress are these wonderful socks, and there's balloons and bunting going around on these socks, and I thought, yeah, I need. They also had it in the kind of same sax color. This color is the sax color pattern that I got, but I decided to go for pink because I think I can match it better with a lot more things. I want to see how this looks worn, and you probably too, so let's go and transform. Transformation time! Toy Doll Box jumper skirt set. Here we are. Woo! Oh my gosh, I am so glad I got this one, and I am so happy this dress has it all. Right here at the top, the lines you can see here on the side give you a wonderful shape, and then the lines coming down here again, it just opens up the dress absolutely visibly to the eye as well. It looks fantastic. And then there's shearing. There's still so much space here for shearing. You're gonna fit those puppies in, guys. It is wonderful. The white panel here right on top makes this dress so wonderful and bright as well. And I just paired it up with an Angelique Pretty blouse that I had from another lucky bag a couple of years back. So it still works perfectly. So much happening on this, and again, the scalloping is so pretty. Check out the scalloping. It is so wonderful. Look, that is so original. I love it. And again, this dress has so many little points and details on here. The longer you look, the more you see. This is such a joyful dress. It's like you're going to someone's birthday party. And the headpiece, look how nice and big it is. I love it big and bold, so here we go. It's big and bold and so fun. I'm gonna probably put a couple sparkly stars here and there and just accessorize this like crazy. There's one thing though, and you guys appreciate me being honest, but oh my god, the socks are tight. This dress is giving me all the old school golden days of Angelique Pretty vibes, and that's what I love it for so much. It's a really fun dress, and just the way it's cut with the lines and everything, it looks amazing and so colorful. But I think the most amazing Angelique Pretty lucky bags were these ones where they still included bags and similar. So if you haven't seen any of those golden days lucky bags, definitely be sure to check out this video here, because that one was actually the dress that got me full on into Angelique Pretty and their lucky bags. So they still included amazing things in these ones. So be sure to check out this video to find out how those Angelique Pretty lucky bags used to look in the way golden days.